In this real review of Super Affiliate Shortcut revealed the one simple trick this real life super affiliate uses to extract 3x more sales on every promotion without spending a dime or countless hours slaving away. Works great with tiny audiences. Launching today on WarriorPlus October 15th, 2021 from Jeremy Kennedy and Colin McIntyre. I bought it. I'm going to show you inside, talk a little bit about what the product is supposed to do, and if this product is misleading, and is the strategy legit, honest, and practical, and whether or not you should pick this up. So we'll go back to the sales page, and the sales page starts off with a video from Colin McIntyre, who explains exactly what's going on here. And what's going on is there's going to be some screenshots of affiliate promotions. These are affiliate promotions that were done by Jeremy Kennedy. Now, I will say whether or not you agree with the products or not is not the issue here. The issue is, does this strategy work? And yes, this strategy works for Jeremy Kennedy. And they walk you through this. And this sales page, honestly, is not really overhyped at all. It just explains to you what you're going to get and how they came about to create the product. They being Jeremy Kennedy and Colin McIntyre, how they worked together to create this product. And inside the product, what's going to happen is you're going to be welcomed to the Super Affiliate Shortcut in the first video. Colin McIntyre is going to introduce you to the video, walk you through what's going to happen inside of the members area. There is a opportunity here to sign up for a live Zoom call. If you like what you see in this training, go ahead and sign up for that. I don't really know what's going to be in that call. Another chance for all the one-time offers. This is where I do not recommend you buy any of the upsells that you will see in this funnel. Of course, when you're on the main sales page and you click the buy now button and you get this for $7, of course, this is a funnel. You will be sent to a new page that tells you about this important next step. Again, ignore this next step simply because when you log into the members area and you scroll down, you will have the opportunity to buy all of these after you've gone through this training. And this is going to take you a little bit of time to go through because the first video is where Jeremy Kennedy spills all the beans. This is almost a 3-hour presentation. And when I say a presentation, this is actually just a recording of a workshop, because this is a recording of an advanced affiliate workshop that's hosted by Jeremy Kennedy, but there's tons and tons of gold nuggets in here. Again, I'm not recommending everything from Jeremy Kennedy or Colin McIntyre. I'm not recommending you buy the upgrades until you watch, and if you like what you see and you learn something. I am telling you, for $7, you will learn something from this advanced affiliate workshop 3-hour video, as well as the resources they give you, which is the checklist that you see here, the Advanced Affiliate Workshop Checklist, the 9 Secrets to Affiliate Marketing Success. You can see the first 3 here. You will get the rest of them when you purchase the product and you download those. Well worth your time to watch this to get an insight to how Jeremy Kennedy does this, because there's no argument that he does know what he's doing when it comes to affiliate marketing and promotions. Again, you have to look at the overall picture of the products he promotes, and you may or may not agree with those products, but the idea here is he does what he says he does in this 3-hour video, and he shows you exactly how he does it. This next video is worth the $7 alone. Have you ever considered offering a physical bonus? You might after watching this. This is a 22-minute, 23-second video that really opened my eyes and gave me a great idea. And I'm telling you, this alone is worth the $7. So definitely, if you are on the fence about this one, I'm recommending for $7. Pick this up, get this idea here. Have you ever considered offering a physical bonus? This just does not happen inside of the internet marketing, make money online space. And the way he does this is really quite brilliant. As you move on to the training, warning, if you want to deliver eye-catching bonuses, this is going to walk you through how to do this. Download Super Affiliate Shortcut slides. You can, of course, watch the video, and then you get these slides. And then in these slides, you can see the course outline. Lesson 1, knowing your niche. Lesson 2, create bonus value. Lesson 3, create bonuses to promote you. Lesson 4, how you can create your bonuses. Lesson 5, delivery to capture buyer emails. This walks you through the strategy of using bonuses and how to do it the right way. This is done very well. Create incredible bonuses checklist. This is just a checklist. You can see this checklist right here. 5-step implementation, print out, and every time you create a bonus, just tick these off or check these off and make sure you're doing all these 5 steps. The next video is the Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing. Warning, if you want to learn the fundamentals of affiliate marketing, read these guides. These are just a bunch of guides that Colin McIntyre has done, and he provides them to you in PowerPoint. And you can see the type of slide this is. This is just 4 slides, affiliate marketing secrets, 5 free tools that I use every day. Colin's going to walk you through 5 free tools that he uses every day. And the other guides here are exactly what they say they are. What does traffic mean? The money is not in the list. Can I really earn living in just 4 hours per week? Colin walks you through what it takes to actually do affiliate marketing in all these slides. It's decent information. It's just provided in there to sort of beef up the product, but definitely worth taking a look at. Now, this is an issue that I have, the proven training success system to learn how to make commissions. This is where Colin is linking you out to a product called Funnel Franchise. 100% stay away from this product. Here you can see the Funnel Franchise Pro receipt. I bought this in 2018. This was Funnel Franchise when it first came out. Currently, they are on Funnel Franchise 3.0. I lost access to my Funnel Franchise because really this is not the way you want to go using a system. A BizOp is really what this is, or a business opportunity where you purchase Funnel Franchise and then they do all the work for you and you just send leads to this Funnel Franchise system, and inside of the system, you add your affiliate links and quote unquote, all the hard work is done for you. These types of systems, Funnel Franchise, are things that you don't want to get wrapped up into. You want to use what's inside this training, as well as the stuff I talk about here on the channel, to build your own business, build things you control, your own website, your own pages, your own email list. Being an affiliate is one thing, but sending traffic to these types of systems, definitely something you don't want to get involved with. And I'm telling you, ignore Funnel Franchise. That is my recommendation. This is the only thing that I do not like in this training. Affiliate marketing experts, of course this is spelled wrong. A affiliate marketing expert reveals how to create an opt-in funnel that makes sales. This is just an ebook, and this is what the ebook looks like. Inside the book, you'll see all the chapters here. It's going to talk about overview and concepts, the tools you'll need. It also links out and talks about Kartra, Elementor, which is a page builder. And then there's some more videos here about follow-up emails. It's high level, good information. Again, at the end of the day, that's just thrown in here to beef up the product. The real value here is the Advanced Affiliate Workshop, the 3-hour Advanced Affiliate Workshop that Jeremy recorded, and the case study, The Unknown Secret, Jeremy uses to triple his results on affiliate promos. This is really where the money is made. Everything else in here is sort of high level and just sort of there to sort of beef up the product, but it's good information, especially if you are a beginner. The last piece of the training is something called the secrets you need to select winning products to promote, even if you believe product selection is just luck. This is basically a beta look at a new program that's going to be coming out. And when you click here to download the slides, it'll take you over to the slides, the Insider's Guide, learn how to select profitable products to promote. And in this course outline and in these slides, you'll learn about niche selection, network selection, product selection, contacting vendors to get approval, as well as a case study. And that is the last piece of training. There is a button here, how to get support. And this talks about how you can get support right here, request support here, standard support. These are the email addresses to actually get support from both Jeremy and Colin for this product. So back to the sales page. When you buy Super Affiliate Shortcut, you'll get the Advanced Affiliate Workshop. Again, that's the 3-hour Advanced Affiliate Workshop presentation from Jeremy Kennedy, the real meat and the heart of this training, as well as this case study, The Unknown Secrets to Use to Triple His Results on Affiliate Promotions. This one you definitely want to watch. Again, this is worth $7 alone, in my opinion. And then the rest of it is just the things that I showed you that are really just there to sort of beef up the product and sort of increase the value. Honestly, they're not needed, but you will get something from each one of them. The only thing that I'm telling you is to stay away from this special free invite number 1. Do not register. Do not look at Funnel Franchise. This is nothing. This is a business opportunity. This is a system where you send traffic. It's all supposed to be done for you. It's just full of upgrades. When you get in, they're going to want to get you into solo ads and that kind of thing. Just stay away from this. Just ignore it. It's just a stain on an otherwise good product. There's a link in the description and the pinned first comment. Pick up the front end, spend $7, get inside the training area, go through the Advanced Affiliate Workshop 3-hour video. Watch this case study here about using a physical bonus. You're really going to enjoy that. And of course, if you like this training and you want to upgrade to these other trainings, these are all upsells. Again, this is all about getting you inside of Jeremy Kennedy and Colin McIntyre's world to buy other products they promote, as well as to join Jeremy Kennedy's training, his coaching. Nothing wrong with his coaching. I'm just saying, make sure you understand and you like and you implement the things that you learn from this $7 product inside your business. Because like the headline says, reveal the one simple trick this real life super affiliate uses to extract 3x more sales on every promotion. You will get these simple tricks. You will get these quote unquote hacks, and you will get it for $7. Link in the description and the pinned first comment. And I'll talk to you later.